I'm gonna try to get it on his insurance, man.
Is it one of those long range?
Oh yeah, we both know that. Get it?
Yeah. Good.
This one's his.
Yeah.
Just found somewhere to park?
And that's me right there. Okay.
See, it covers that Honda right there too that he's driving.
Okay.
Yeah, it covers that Honda.
Oh, you're cheap.
He's smart.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's me there. That's you. Actually, I could probably do the same thing. Let me see your card there again. I'll just do the same thing over there. Everything. Yeah.
I didn't tell. I'm doing all right.
Which one's yours? Or?
This one's mine.
Dr. Larry got the 250 call on the way. Mail on one of the short discharge insurance and the other had one of the stress insurance communities.
We're chill.
I've got this guy. Hey, what's your phone number, man?
813
What's your information?
770-2830.
2830. Let me get you one of my business cards.
Okay, good.
I don't see tying up anybody. I mean,
Yeah.
You got all the insurance information for everybody?
that's me, Brian Bullitt, right there. That's my cell phone. That's my cell phone right there. So, like I say, it's pretty much for witnesses of what happened. Both of us here. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So what happened? He
Just pull it up in front of us.
Guy in the passport was trying to get out of Best Buy. Hit him, and then launched him.
where do you
It's right there. That's it. That's what he said. He got out of my truck. He's like, what?
I should buy a kid. Yeah, when I pulled out, I didn't see him.
Okay.
It's so damn much fun.
You guys are going to get out of here?
Yeah, I'm gonna
get my Christmas.
Sorry, but
Merry Christmas.
You too, sir. Thank you.
That's my cell phone number right there. One of these for me?
do you want it?
Oh, you gave her one of these? I saw you were writing like some.
I wrote this.
Okay.
What's your name, Mark?
Okay. All right.
Okay.
That's my cell phone number right there.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Hey, y'all have a good Christmas now.
Thank you.
I didn't get a phone number for you.
On this?
Yeah.
On another page?
Yeah.
Page one.
Yeah.
Your
name is?
Dan.
Dan. Thanks. I gotta pull that bumper out. I can't turn. I can't turn. Shit.